Hi everybody, this is my second week of physics honors conversion videos, and this week we're going to be talking about electric potentials. So in this problem, I'll just go ahead and read it. 2 points are in an electric field. The potential at point 1 is 58 volts. The potential at point 2 is 175 volts. A proton is moved from point 1 to point 2. And the first thing is we need to write an equation for the change of potential energy. The change of potential energy is related to delta EPE. Delta EPE here would be the EPE at point 1. So that would be, so we just write it as EPE1. I take it back. Sorry, we would take it as, since we're getting bigger, we would start EPE2, which is the 175 volts, minus EPE1, which is at right there. So how do we do that? Next thing we do is we realize that electric potential, because we have to figure out what EPE is, electric potential is V equals EPE over Q, which the label would be joules per coulomb. So in this scenario, we're moving 1 proton. So our charge here would be equal to, because we have to find the equation for the change in potential energy. So that would be our Q, right, which is our change in energy, delta V, because our change in volts and everything. That'll equal Q times the change in volts, so V2 minus V1. That's the first part. Second part is that we just need to go ahead and calculate this. So Q for our proton movement is going to be equal to 1.602 times 10 to the negative 19th. And since we're doing V2 minus V1, we need to do 175 minus 58. That'll equal our delta EPE. I'll get my calculator here. Go ahead and enter it in here. So 1.602 times 10 to the negative 19th, parentheses 175 minus 58. And when you multiply it out, the answer comes out to 1.8743 times 10 to the negative 17th. And because of our label, it comes out to joules here. How much work was done by the electric force during the proton's motion is our third question. And the work done here is simply the negative of our answer just before. Because the work is from A to B, right? So from 1 to 2. Negative work has to occur for this to happen.